Welcome to the My Aged Care video that demonstrates the new data fields that home care package providers will be able to configure through the provider portal from the 27th of February 2017. The information you enter will be displayed on the online My Aged Care Home Care Package Service Finder. Part 2 of this video describes the functions that staff assigned the role of outlet administrator in the provider portal can perform. The new data fields provide you with the opportunity to market the points of difference about the services you provide. The outlet administrator will need to log into the My Aged Care provider portal. From the home page, click on the Outlet Administration tile, then click on the outlet to be updated. The list of cultural and religious specializations may be inherited from information configured at the organization level. Click on Edit to amend these fields. To add a new service item, click on Add a Service Item. You'll then need to select the program that applies to this service item. The list of the current services that you are funded to deliver will display. To add a new service, click on Service Item Name. Each service item created appears as a unique search result in the Home Care Package Service Finder. An error message will display if you include any symbols or repeat the same service item name under the same outlet and NAPS ID. You can choose to have a waitlist managed through My Aged Care. If you have no capacity to offer services but provide a waitlist through My Aged Care, you can choose to accept a referral to that waitlist. If you accept a referral to waitlist, the client will still have the standard 56 days, with option for 28-day extension, to enter into a home care agreement with their preferred provider before their package is withdrawn. As you can see, the 4 levels of home care packages are listed on the left. From the status, you can select whether these are operational or inactive. Operational means that your organisation provides these services, and they will be listed under the Home Care Package Service Finder. Inactive means that you don't provide care at that specific level. The service availability then shows whether you have current availability to provide care at this level or not. You can edit details related to this service by clicking Edit on the right of the service item you wish to amend. Indications of any sanctions or non-compliance are listed as a view-only field. This will apply to all outlets configured under the same NAPS ID. Information about the areas you deliver Commonwealth-funded home care services are captured under the Service Delivery area. This information may be pre-populated based on your contractual information. From the 27th of February 2017, home care package providers will no longer be limited by a geographical area, so you can expand your service offering. It is important that you ensure the service delivery area is accurate, as this information is a searchable field through the Home Care Package Service Finder. All providers are expected to offer services for people with special needs, but you may also offer customised services for specific special needs groups. If you have a focus on providing specialised services, you can select these by clicking the checkbox. If you cater to any specific language requirements, you can select these from a standard list of language specializations. Check any boxes you are able to cater to and then click on Save. You can then configure what the standard hours of operation are for the service. If you don't have standard hours, Monday through Friday, you can click on Customize to change your standard hours of operation for each day. The next field allows you to configure whether you provide any out-of-hours services, such as care on evenings, weekends, public holidays, and 24-hour care. This is a simple yes or no toggle field. You can then select whether a surcharge applies, and if yes, what the average percentage surcharge is. The next page that you will need to configure is the information about your service pricing. You can configure the percentage of home care package funds that remain for services after provider fees have been taken into account. You can also configure your case management options and add a pricing schedule for your services. The pricing schedule can be uploaded as a link to the pricing information on your website, or you can upload the pricing schedule separately. Once attached, the title will display as a link. If you choose to upload an external document, this will be sent to the department for review prior to being made available on the Home Care Package Service Finder. The department will have up to 3 business days to process your request. The last field you can configure is the service description. This is a short description of the type of services offered For example, click on Save to update your details. To review the information you have entered, you can click on View Details. That concludes the video on the new data fields in My Aged Care for home care packages. We hope that has provided you with some useful guidance on how to set up your outlet's details in the My Aged Care Provider portal. If you need some more information, step-by-step guidance is available through the My Aged Care Provider portal user guides and quick reference guides available from Department of Health website. For technical support, you can contact the My Aged Care Service Provider and Assessor helpline on 1800 836 799.